Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the Perl seek function. So on my desktop here somewhere I've got a file. This is a text file called log and it's got some text in it. So let's just close that there. And we're going to create the first one, which is going to be a subroutine called seek chars characters here. So we're going to be looking for characters in this particular text file. So we've got to tell Perl where the text file is first of all. So I'm going to call that variable is called path, and I'm going to give it the path to where it is on my system. Okay, and then I'm going to change to that directory with change directory, so we're in that directory. Okay, so as I always say, guys, if you're new to this channel and you don't know, this is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop, so you will have to find that. You'll have to find your own unique path to your desktop. If you type this in and run the program, you're going to get an error. Right, okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create open and my file here, and then we're going to do this little symbol here which will read for us, and we're going to give it the name of the file, and I think it's called log.txt. Okay, I'm going to do the error handler here, or die, and I'm just going to give it a generic error message. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just doing this. So error opening. So that's just a basic generic error message there. So we're going to use seek, and I'm going to do the scale of file, and I'm going to do up to the 5th character starting at 0 in the text file. So there's not the character, the 5th byte up to starting from 0. So we're going to seek the 5th byte starting from the beginning of the file, starting from 0. Right. I'm going to create a variable called my file data, like that, and then we're going to use the read. This is going to be scale of file, and the scale of file data 5 there. Okay, so now we're going to print out the information from the file. So print reading, like that, and I'm going to do file data and the new line here. Okay, and then we're going to close the file. Close the file there. Right, all we have to do now is call the function to run it. So we do that by its name up there. So that's seek chars. Right, let's save this and let's run it, shall we? Okay, reading. So we've got is let's just have a look in the file. Oh dearie me, I closed it, didn't I? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so we've got is okay, let's just adjust it a little bit more. So let's say 10 bytes in there. Let's just run that. I have to adjust that there. Let's just save that. Okay, text file. There we go. Let's just adjust it a little bit more. 20. I'll just do 20 there. Let's just run that. Called log on my. Okay, so there we go. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's been useful to you, and I'll give you a few tips here. So I've given you some code to do, so all I want you to do, I mean, like I've done there, is just mess around with it. If you put something like 1,000 there or something like that, let's just 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see what happens. Just do things like that. Okay, so obviously we've got nothing because there aren't that many bytes in there. So if we just do 10 like that, and you can actually see how programs work by doing things like this. Okay, so there we go. This is A. So you can change it around, change the variables, give the variables different meanings, try to apply it to different situations, and your coding will get better. Don't worry if you make mistakes or anything like that. You know, just go with it, just be creative with it. That's the key to learning, and it's also the key for memory retention as well. So anyway, thank you very much for coming along with me. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Very important, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.